Hello everyone. Can all of you hear me? Rahul said no. Can all of you hear me? It's Rafi, Rahul, Vikram, Jay.
के बाद उसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन आते हैं।
Hello.
रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के बाद अपने आप एक ऑटोमेटिकली फाइल डाउनलोड होती है।
Hello. All attendees are here. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Rafi said yes. And what about other people? Shall we start the session? I need your go ahead. Mic is muted by organizer. No, mic is not muted. At my end, it is fine. Yes, Rafi, if you can hear me, let me know. Yeah, okay, fine. Jay said yes. Okay, fine. Okay. So I'm going to start today's session, the affiliate marketing tips and tricks. So before starting this session, I just want to like to introduce with myself. So this is about me. My name is Deepika Chaudhary, and I am a digital marketing expert and consultant from last more than 6 years. And currently, I am associated with an organization. The name is Wildly Technologies as a digital marketing manager. And so far, I have worked more than 500 clients who are international and national, all domestic clients. And knowledge sharing is my passion, and I love to share my findings with the new people, with experienced people. So this is my passion so far. Also, I am Google Analytic and AdWords certified professional. So this would be our today's agenda. And before that, I just want to know about you people. So just let me know in one line that what you do and what is your expectation with today's session. So please one by one write in the chat window so that I can understand you. Yeah, please start quickly. Yes, Rahul. Okay, digital marketing student, Jayashankar said. Okay, Jayashankar. It's great. From where are you? Kerala. Great. And what about other people? It's Rafi, Shakiluz. Let me know. There are Vikram, Vinay, Yashodhra. Okay, I think people are arriving, so we should start today's agenda. So, in this affiliate marketing session, what we are going to discuss here is the agenda. We will be knowing about the affiliate marketing. What is it? What the purpose of affiliate marketing? Why we should go for the affiliate marketing? And where affiliate marketing fit in today's digital marketing age. This we will discuss, and we will know how affiliate marketing is started, and who started, and who was the first network that come up with the affiliate marketing approach. So we will know each and everything in the history of the affiliate marketing, and after that we will know how affiliate marketing works. So in this session, we will know like what are the basic steps we need to follow. If you are just going to start your career in affiliate marketing, then what are the basic steps? And if you just want to go to the advanced level, then what would be the basic advanced step to perform in affiliate marketing? And what is the ecosystem of affiliate marketing? What are the primary factors in affiliate marketing, and the main pillars of affiliate marketing and their networks, and what would be your role as affiliate marketing. Shakilu said, why muted me? Yeah, it is good, Shakil, because if you will be muted, then everyone can hear very properly. That's why, if you can ask me, you can unmute yourself, and you can share any query to me. I will reply to you. Not an issue for this. Or you can write in the chat window. I will reply you instantly, because the window is opening in my in front of me, so you can ask me anything related to this session. Okay, so we were there that we will discuss the pillars of the affiliate marketing and the role of the affiliate manager, and after that we will discuss before choosing that to promote affiliate link, for which link we should go, for which category we should choose. No, Shakil said after the, no, you can ask me instantly if you have any queries, or you can ask me after the session. Definitely I will reply to your all queries. Okay, fine. So we will know about the commission model of the affiliate networks, how much commissions we can get from which category and from which network. So this we will know about this in this session. And the types of affiliate revenue model means what kind of the revenue model are available in affiliate marketing. So this we will discuss, and after that in this session we will be doing the practical part as well. We will create our account in one of the major affiliate network, which is Amazon.com, or I'll give you the assignments too, and after that we'll see how we can promote the networks through website. So these two sessions will be practically implemented in this today's agenda. So let's proceed with this. So this is clear to all of you, the agenda. And in my session, I want quickly your reply in the chat window, so that I can know you that you are listening to me, right? So just write down yes, no in the chat window, so that I can proceed properly. Okay, great. This is one of the most important and my favorite topic, affiliate marketing. And I have taken so many so many sessions of Make Intern. You can go through with my YouTube channel. If you want the recordings, you can go through with my YouTube channel. So you can find the previous recording of the Make Interns. And even this session recording will be uploaded by the Make Intern as well. So I want all of you to listen carefully and participate in this session more and more, so that you can get a knowledge of this agenda, right? So before proceeding, my first point is that we should know about the internet statistics, which is called as a digital statistics. We should know that how many people are on internet, uh, how many population we have worldwide, and how many active users are on social media. And so this thing we should know, so that we can target our objective better in internet, right? So far we have 50% 7.4 billion of the total population. And out of 7.4 billion of the population, we have 3.773 billion of internet users who are using the internet, right? And out of that, 2.789 billion population are active users in social media, right? And 2.549 billion audience are active mobile social users. So you can understand, if you are planning to go with affiliate marketing, then this is the scope. Basically, this is the audience you can find out in the internet and social media, right? So affiliate marketing is not that you cannot promote the digital with the different digital marketing platforms like social media, SEO, and through paid advertisements. So there are a lot of options in affiliate marketing. I will explain you each of you, so that you can promote in a better way. So this is the basic understanding with the internet users, that there is this is basically just to let you know that the scope of the internet marketing. What is the difference between digital marketing and affiliate marketing? Yashodhara Sharma asked. So see, the basic difference, affiliate marketing is a part of the digital marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest marketing, and it comes under the digital marketing. Digital marketing contains too many ways of the marketing. I will explain you in the coming slides in better way. Okay. Okay. So worldwide internet users ranking, we should know, like we are about to do the affiliate marketing. So we should know where India is ranking. So far, India surpasses the USA users, just because of the you can say that the promotion of the Modi, and just because of the Geo SIMs, which everybody is using in rural area and everywhere. The internet access is so much easy for all of you. That's why India surpasses the USA internet users, and now India is on second number in the internet users ranking. This everybody should know about the ranking of the India before we start the affiliate marketing, right? Now we are just landing to the affiliate marketing. What is it and how we do it? First, let's understand the term affiliate marketing. What is it? Basically, people are having some misconceptions, some myths about the affiliate marketing. So some people think that it is a paid approach, and what is it? Somebody is having not a clear understanding with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to explain you. This is basically a arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referral, right? So affiliate marketing, and in different definition we can say that affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or company's product. See, affiliate marketing is a relationship with the three members. The You can say that the affiliate, the merchant, and the consumer. Basically, consumer is the users, right? So the we affiliate, what is affiliate going to do? affiliate is promoting the merchant's product, or you can say that a company's product to their sites, so that they are bringing to the customers to the merchant sites, and merchant is paying commission to the affiliate. This is basically the relationship, and this is the process of the affiliate marketing, right? And affiliate marketing is also known as associate program, internet affiliate marketing. If somebody will ask you what is direct marketing, you can say that affiliate marketing is a direct marketing, right? Also, affiliate marketing is a performance marketing, and it also known as a partner marketing, pay per performance marketing, and referral program. So these are the basic terms. You can also call as affiliate marketing uh, with mentioned terms, right? So the main term is affiliate marketing is known as the pay per performance marketing. So if it's something that whenever you are able to sell something, then definitely merchant will pay you something, and the commission is basically depends how much they will pay you. It definitely I will show you the commission model of each networks, so that you will have the understanding that how much they will pay for which category, and how you can choose the better products to promote in your site, and where you can promote. So this is basic understanding with the affiliate marketing. Everybody is understand with the term of the affiliate marketing, or better I'm going to explain it. Before that, we need to know the history of the affiliate marketing. So somebody asked what is the difference between the digital and affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one of the oldest form of the online marketing, right? And it is a performance based marketing, wherein you will be paid once you will make the profit to the merchant products, right? And first affiliate marketing program implemented by the William J. Tobin, and he implemented this first affiliate marketing program, and for his company basically PC Flowers and Gifts in 1989, right? So you should know like who implemented this. The name is William J. Tobin implemented the first affiliate marketing program. And secondly, the second first, Amazon was one of the first to use affiliate marketing with the launch of its associates program in 1996, right? So why Amazon is so much popular? Because Amazon was the another first network who started with this program in 1996, with this concept basically introduced in 1989, and after that you can see that how much it is popular. So this is overall the history of the affiliate marketing. And now I just want to make you understand how you can understand the process, basically how affiliate marketing works. So it is like, let's suppose affiliates puts your ad on their website. Let's suppose you just want to like you have just signed up with the Amazon affiliate network, and you want to promote the Amazon any product. Let's suppose the gaming product you want to promote. So you will put the ad on your website, because you need something to promote the affiliate. You need to something, you need your online presence to promote the merchant's product. So it could be your website or your blog or your social media, or you can say that any paid networks. So you can promote in very different ways. So I'm just taking the example of your website, right? So I'm supposing that you have the website, and you can put the ad of Amazon game products in your website. And so let's suppose your website is that much popular, and somebody landing in your website and clicks, customer clicks and converts, right? Somebody land in your website, and after seeing the gaming product, he clicked and converts, means after that what happened, conversion tracked. And once conversion is tracked from your website, you will be paid for that. This is the basic process, right? Okay. Everybody is okay with this? Or we have the another process. Okay, let's suppose here is an online shopper, right? Online, from the online shoppers we are able to lend our consumers to the merchant sites, and after that the consumer did any shopping, and after that merchant confirm that, we get the order confirmation. Once we get the order confirmation, the affiliate, basically the affiliate will be paid by the merchants. So this is the process. Basically you need to understand how you are going to be paid. And another example I'm going to explain you. This is the example of, you can say that, online casino, and your website is basically for the online casino, and you want to promote the games in that. So what you need basically, you need a player, so that you can land the player to your website, casino website, the online casino, and player play for the real time. Then you will be paid for that. These all are the examples of the affiliate marketing. Now my question is, how many of you having the website online presence? I need to know how many of you have. Do you have the website, blog, or something, or the social media uh, page, a Facebook page, we can say that? How many of you have this? Yes, please, Rahul, Jay, let me know. I doesn't have one. Okay, no problem, Jay. We will create in this session. Not an issue. Okay, fine. And I just want to let you know the career opportunities with the affiliate marketing. So once, if you want to make your career as a digital marketing, definitely you can go with the online earning. You can earn a lot through affiliate and AdSense. So these are the career opportunities. You could be anything as a digital marketer, right? So these are the possibilities. And after that, I just want to let you know the myths basically, and the mistakes which we do while do the affiliate marketing. Because as per my understanding, as per my experience, first we need to understand the pain areas of the any field, so that we can come up with the better solution, right? So sometimes people think they have a lot of myths about the affiliate marketing. They think a lot of about the affiliate marketing, but they never come up with the right approach, right? So let's discuss what are the myths in affiliate marketing. So sometimes people think uh, that it is a money making right away process. You can make money right now with the affiliate marketing. So this is the myths basically. But you don't know that where you are going to promote, what you are going to promote, and you have the website, but you have no connections in that. You don't have any traffic in your website. You don't have content in that, and you don't know anything about the product or in your website, and nobody trusts you never build the trust factor for your website or for your product. So if you haven't done anything from these things, that means you cannot make money instantly. So this is the myth, and we need to come up with the solution. First of all, so what we need to do, we need to create the relationship with the audience. We need to create the trust for our brand, or you can say that your online presence. We should present the content in that way, so that people can come and buy something from your website or any online presence, right? And what are the other mistakes we do? We just overselling your audience. What we do, once we get the affiliate link which we need to promote through internet, so what we do, we just oversell that product. I wasn't listening in last two slides, and the voice was not coming. Yashodhara, what I have noticed, you have just disconnected. So not an issue. I'm just going to repeating the few slides. So this is basically I have discussed what I have discussed. I have discussed about the process, basically how the affiliate marketing works. That might be internet issue. Yes, yes, this is the internet issue. So I suggest you that once refresh your disconnect the internet and then connect, you will be connected. So we I have just discussed how affiliate marketing works and how you can make the money, right? So this is simple. We have discussed which site on promote my link, which site on promote my link, Rafi asked. No, see, there are two questions. The first is the link basically you will promote. So I will show you what kind of the links, the affiliate link basically you have to generate after creating the account in affiliate network, and after that you can promote that affiliate link to your site, to your online presence, whatever you have. I have just asked you if you have the website, then you can promote the affiliate link in your website, or if you have social media channel, then you can promote the affiliate link through social media, through YouTube, through blogs, through forums, anything. There are a lot of options that you can promote that affiliate link, but the online presence is mandatory to promote any affiliate link, right? I will let you know how you can generate and how you can promote that. So these are the career opportunities we have discussed, Yashodhara, right? So you would be a digital marketer, and you can do the online earning as an affiliate marketing, right? So now we were discussing about the mistakes and myths, which is something that sometimes people think that it is a money making right away process, but it's not. First of all, you have to create the trust over the online with your audience to whom you are going to target. I have Facebook, FB, Instagram, and others. That's great. That's great. If you have something, we will, because this session is going for the 4 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and another Saturday, Sunday. So every day we will do the practically implementation. One day I'll pick the social media optimization. One day another thing I'll pick, so that we'll be definitely using the FB page. If you have, it is good. It is good. If somebody is not having their social presence, then they can create their accounts in these social networks, so that they can implement it with myself, with this session only, right? So yes, so somebody, the first point is clear, and now I was discussing overselling to your audience. So overselling is something that once you get the affiliate link, right? I am too much saying that what is affiliate link. Let's show you what is the affiliate link, because it's better to show you, because sometimes if I'm proceeding, I believe in the practical implementation. So this is one of the popular network, the global network, the clickbank.com affiliate network, right? So what you need to do, you need to open the link I'm just giving to all of you, right? So, or you can see with me. I'm just here. Later on I just share the link for your future references, right? So this is the affiliate network. You need to click to the affiliate marketplace, right? So if you are new, and I'm thinking that most of the people are new in the affiliate marketing, so they need to understand how they can proceed with the affiliate network, right? So here are the basic steps. Here are the basic steps to proceed with the to promote any affiliate network. So what I need to do, I need to just, there are, this is the affiliate marketplace. You will get the too many categories, and affiliate marketing is also called as a interest based marketing. So I would recommend to all of you, if you are planning to do the affiliate marketing, then choose the category in which you have the interest, right? Because ultimately, for particular category you are going to promote with the help of content. Means you have to write something, you have to inform people, and once you have to update people, that means you have to write something that would be viral on internet, right? And people will take the another site, the name which is not myself, another site name which is not myself. No problem, Rafi. That's fine. That's fine. I just want you to focus in this recording, in this session, because we will discuss the sites which you have later. I will ask you to all of you, right? So we are discussing here the clickbank.com, which is the one of the popular affiliate network here. And what I'm going to say, if you are planning to do the affiliate marketing, then you need to choose the basically the category wherein you have a lot of interest, right? Let's suppose yes, tell me, Rafi, I want to know in which category do you have a lot of interest? Like if I'll say you like this product you need to promote through with your website, then which product you will choose? Yeah, Rafi, I'm asking to you. Do you want to reply it? Or somebody else you can reply, Yashodhara, you can also reply. Everybody? I'm asking Rafi that if I say you education portal. Okay, Rahul said education. That's fine. So I'm clicking to the education, right? And here what I'm seeing here, uh, you are once you will click to the education portal, means you just want to promote the education because you are good to write in education domain or education field, so that you would be easily write a very creative and catchy content that could be that could attract too many users, because ultimately you have to bring customers to your website. Once they will purchase something, then and only merchant will pay you, right? Then and only advertiser will pay you. So this is the process, this is the affiliate marketing process you need to understand. Once you will have the affiliate link, you need to promote that affiliate link to your website. So you have chosen the education. So here I'm having the too many education links which we can promote. So guys, you have to create your account in clickbank.com, because once you will click to the, let's suppose here everything is mentioned. What is the initial sales in dollars, average percentage sales, and everything is here. So let's suppose I have chosen this first category, and I need to log in with this account, because I have already created my account. So I will get this affiliate link, right? So what you can do, you can copy this affiliate link or you can put to your website. The one way, if you have the website, then you can promote this affiliate link to your website. If you don't have the website, there are too many sites which gives you opportunity, gives you the option to create the site, create the blog in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, in only in few minutes you can create your online presence. Do not worry about it all that you need to purchase the website or to do something you need to invest money. No, if you have the website, this is really good. If you don't have the website, then do not worry, you can create the website. I will teach you that how you can create the website. Objective is to show you the affiliate link, because I am talking too lot about the affiliate link that you need to promote in your website, social channels, everywhere. So this link you need to copy it, right? And you need to paste it here. And if you are seeing, this is basic. If you want to promote this link completely in your website, then copy and paste in your website. Ma'am, if I have the website, then how can I promote it? Yes, Rahul, this is I'm going to explain you how you can promote it. So this is basically the link you have received, and I have pasted it here, and this link you need to insert uh, in your account, right, in your website which you have currently, right? If you don't have, you can create your account in blogger.com or in wordpress.com or in tumblr.com. We have a lot of sites, free sites, wherein you can create your uh, small website. So you have, can I promote in others website, get the commission? See, this is something, no Shakil, you can promote the others website from others website products to your website, because ultimately how you can promote the others website, can I promote in because you cannot promote in others website, because you will not have the login credentials. How you can put this code to the others website? You can put this code, then once you will have the login detail, so you have to create your account. You can promote the others network affiliate link to your site. This is the answer of your question, to get the commission. Okay, so this is the link basically I have. So let's suppose I have the my portal, I have the my blogger.com account. So I have taken this link. Which link? This is something ASBF social learning community, because I'm going to promote it. I need to click it here and I need to understand what is it, what I have chosen it. So this is simple, we need to understand. This link is not opening right now, or it is taking too much time. No problem. So somewhere if you will click, then you will, yes, this is the link. I have clicked it here. So here everything is mentioned. We need to promote it, right? CPC practice exam questions. So somebody chosen the education category. So now you can think how much you need to write to promote this CPC practice exam, because ultimately you need to attract people who can purchase this CPC program questionnaire, right? So this book you need to sell to your audience. So this is basically the link I have shown you. This is the link I have collected from this affiliate network. Now I have the website in blogger.com, and this is basically the post. Somebody asked a question, can we say that once a candidate will register on clickbank.com, from there we have to choose the category which we want to promote, click on that and copy paste the link to your own website or social media? Yes, absolutely correct, Yashodhara. This is correct. So it's something, the candidate which you are talking, the candidate wants to do the affiliate marketing, right? So he or she has to create the account in clickbank.com, right? Then he would be able to get the affiliate link, which he or she can put the website, because I have this kind of the website, so I can put the link in this website and I will write about particular this topic. See, and you are not contents. If I have chosen this category, CPC practice questions, so CPC exam questionnaire, I'm copying it and I'm writing it about this exam book only, and everything will be related to this. And my this blogger.com is enough to get a lot of traffic, because too many people are coming on this website. And if somebody is not coming in this website, then you have to promote it with the help of the digital marketing platform. Then you would be able to get too much traffic on your website, and when somebody land to your page and click to the purchase button, then automatically merchant will be noticed that somebody purchased from your website, and the commission which they have mentioned in the affiliate network, you will get that much of the commission for initial sale. This is something, right? So everything is mentioned here, so I will explain you lot about it. This is basically just the starting. because I just want to know what is the affiliate link and what are the possibilities that you can promote the affiliate link. Okay, everyone. So let's proceed it. Okay. So ultimately, there are a few mistakes again left. We need to understand. Sometimes we think we don't know that what we are going to promote. That somebody chosen the education category, that means he is good in that education category. Sometimes we have chosen the category which wherein we don't have any interest and we just want to make money. So we have just selected such kind of the categories wherein we don't have the interest, so we cannot perform well in well for such categories, right? So we need to select the category very wisely wherein we can perform well. Also the quality content is very important. Sometimes what we do, I have just the blog section and very basic content I have I will write it here, and I will think that people will come. Can we choose multiple categories? Yes, you can choose the multiple categories, Yashodhara, but I will let you know the pros and cons of the no, you can choose the multiple categories, but how you will promote the multiple categories, this is the question, and we will discuss once we'll do the practical implementation. So you can note down your question. Once we will start the practically implementation, then I will let you know. Okay. Okay, so quality content is one of the major factor while you do the promotion for the affiliate links, right? And this is a more thing that we should take care of the affiliate partners, wherein we have tied up like we have tied up with the tie up with the Clickbank or Amazon or eBay or Snapdeal. There are too many affiliate networks available in India or internationally. So Clickbank is one of the example of the global network, affiliate network. So we should take care of the affiliate partners, and we care about them. So this is much important, and not losing your competition. We have to see our competitions as well, how they are going to promote and what kind of things they are doing. So we need to take care of that thing as well. And the measuring of your campaign performance, this is something comes in the tracking part, and sometimes it is important, you have just you have just created your website, and you are added the product in your website, and you have started to promote that, and after that you are thinking I'm not getting money from this. So it is something that you don't know that how many customers is landing to your page, how many customers, how many users visit to your product, and how many users clicked on it and made a sale from that. So for this thing, if you are not aware from these stats, that means you cannot measure the campaign performance. So to measure the campaign performance, you need to understand the traffic stats, that how many users are coming to your site, what kind of the actions they are taking on your website. So there are analytic part as well. I will explain you how you can add the analytic section to your website, so you can measure the campaign performance, right? Not providing enough material, so you need to provide the material, a lot material. If you think that one post is enough to promote the one link, then it's not. You need to continuously update to the audience with the different content, with the different approach, but the same link you are going to promote it, but in a very different manner, so that people or user can take the action. And this is the myth that sometimes you think that people are coming to your website. No, you have to bring the people to your website. How? Just by optimizing your uh, channel or website or blog or the forums or something which wherein you have the online presence. And this is also the another major myth, that you are thinking that you are going uh, get rich quick. So no, you are not. You have to be patient for this. You need to optimize in such way that quickly you will start to earn money from affiliate marketing. So these all are the myths, right? I'm going to this is the affiliate ecosystem. You need to understand what is the ecosystem. So affiliate marketing having the very core relationship with the three parties: the advertiser, the publisher, and the consumer. These three parties having the major role in affiliate marketing, right? So let's discuss very in very detail. uh, I will explain you who is the publisher and who is the advertiser and who is the consumer. So before that, we need to understand the two sides of an affiliate equation: the product creator and seller, and the affiliate marketer, right? The person who is creating the product and selling the product, right? That could be anything. You can say that you having the website wherein you have inserted too many products, you have created the products, and you are going to promote them, you are going to sell them. And the affiliate marketer would be the person who will promote your products to their sites, right? So these are the two sides in affiliate equation. Let's understand very deeply. So we need to understand the merchant. Basically, who is the merchant, right? Merchant sometimes called as a seller, brand seller, retailer, and the vendor. This is the party that creates the product, or it can be a big company, right? It could be a big company. You can take the example of Dyson, who produces vacuum cleaners, right? So it could be anything. Like it could be the big organizations who want to promote their products. So merchant sometimes called as a retailer or the seller or the creator. So if you need to clear understanding, you need to have the clear understanding about the merchant. Who is the merchant, right? Because ultimately, if you are becoming the affiliate, means you are going to means you are going to promote the merchant products, right? So if you have chosen the Amazon, eBay, because they have the big network, they have the big network wherein they have created too many products, and you just want to promote them, you just want to become an affiliate for the Amazon. So who could be the merchant? This is the question. The merchant could be uh, uh, or uh, or it could be a single individual, right? It could be a big brand, or it could be a single individual. You can start if you have the website wherein you are getting the too many traffic, then you would be able to promote any merchant products to your website, right? So merchant could be or it can be a single individual like Maracos, who sells online courses to female entrepreneurs. Guys, please note down the words which I am taking here: the Maracos, and who invented the affiliate marketing, because later on you will be needed these things. So this is the important thing. And somebody knows the Fortune 500 companies? This is the basic question I am just asking you. Fortune 500 companies, if you are aware from this term. Okay, great, great. So from the Fortune 500 companies, anyone could be a merchant behind an affiliate marketing program. They don't even have to actively involve, they just have to have a product to sell. So this is the advantage, that if somebody is coming in ranking in Fortune 500 companies, then they could be a merchant individually, right? So this is the basically advantage. And a merchant is clear, all of you now. It is a creator, seller, and the retailer and the vendor who would be create the products. Okay, now you need to understand the affiliate, because I told you in the ecosystem there is a relationship with the three people: the affiliate, the merchant, and the consumer. We have understood with the merchant. Now we need to know about the affiliate. Who is the affiliate? So affiliate, this party is sometimes also known as a publisher. Affiliate can be a single individual or the entire companies. Who could be the affiliate? See, affiliate, as an individual, you can start as an affiliate, or if you are having a big company, then you could be the affiliate. because ultimately I told you that you need the online presence to promote the merchant products. So you can start as an individual wherein you have the online presence, but let's suppose there are too many sites who are having the traffic monthly in millions or billions of traffic to their sites. So you can understand how much users are landing, how many consumers are landing to their page, right? I will give you the example of too many sites, like there are coupon sites, there are loyalty reward sites. So in coupon sites you can say that Coupon Dunia, cashkaro.com, these are the sites, and these sites having the traffic in millions and billions, right? People are landing too much just to have the info about the coupons, what kind of the discounts they are providing. So for such kind of the websites, they are the big companies, so they can start the affiliate marketing program as well, just to make money. So because it would be very easy, because they are already having too much of the traffic, then they can easily convert that traffic, and they can easily paid by the any merchant, right? So affiliate could be the individual or the entire companies, and affiliate sometimes called as a publisher, right? So affiliate can promote one or multiple affiliate products. Somebody asked me the question that we can have the multiple products. So of course we can have the one or multiple affiliate products that we can promote, right? So this is something about the affiliate, and now we need to understand about the consumer. Basically, in the ecosystem we have the three relationship. The first is cleared with the affiliate, and the second is the merchant, and the third one is the consumer, who will basically take the action which you will promote. The consumer makes the affiliate system go around. That means the consumer is only possible ways to help you, which help you to make money, and by which the merchant will pay you something. So consumers will play a very vital role in the affiliate marketing. So these three major relationship is done in affiliate marketing, and the last part is the network, because ultimately you need to choose the network, right? Where which network you want to choose to do the affiliate marketing. So the network is only some, consider the network part of the affiliate marketing equation. A network works an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. So there I have just given the example of the ClickBank. So ClickBank or Commission Junction are the such networks, right? These are the networks. So you are just choosing the network, and this is the basically the intermediate between the affiliate and the merchant. So these four things are very important while you do the affiliate marketing. Everybody is clear about this? The affiliate, the merchant, consumer, and last and most important, the network. Now we can easily start with the affiliate marketing, guys. So this is something, the four things you need to understand, the four parties you need to understand. These are also called as the key players of the affiliate marketing, right? So now let's proceed with the pillars of the affiliate marketing. We have discussed the merchants. So what are the basic pillars of the uh, merchant? So what merchant do? So I have mentioned that they do the recruitment, they do the activation of the product, they create the policing of the product, they communicate, and they optimize. These are the five pillars of the merchant. So you need to understand, madam, can't we just go also with Amazon and Shopify like websites? um like Jyoti, you want what do you want? You want to promote the affiliate links of the Amazon or Shopify and Shopify. Please define Cash Karo and Coupon Dunia process, how to make money. Rafi, surely, because practically I'll do the Cash Karo and the Coupon Dunia. I have I have enlisted this part in my PPT as well. So Jyoti, yes, okay madam. Okay Jyoti. So these are the, because maybe in the very beginning, why I am just giving you too many PPTs. You need to have the clear understanding of the affiliate marketing, then and only you can proceed with the optimization, right? So similarly, we have the pillars in affiliate affiliate as well, because we have the pillars of the merchant, what kind of the action the merchant will take. Similarly, we have the pillars of the affiliate, because if you are becoming an affiliate, then what are the basic pillars? How you are going to promote the affiliate program basically. So I have mentioned, see, PPC, content, SEO, blog, review, display, email, social network, incentive, and shopping sites. So now I have queries with you, with all of you. Quickly I want the reply. Somebody is understanding with the any digital marketing platform, is like SEO, PPC, SMO. Very quickly say yes or no. No, no, no. Okay, okay, great, fine. Rafi said yes. Rafi, which platform do you know? Which means for which platform you have the good knowledge? Yes, Rafi, please reply me quickly. We have lot to finish in this session. ClickBank. No, Rafi, we are not talking about the ClickBank. We are talking about the pillars of the affiliate marketing, right? So I am just talking about, my question was not clear to you, I guess. So I was asking that somebody is having the understanding with the SEO, the search engine optimization, the PPC, and the shopping and social networks, email, display, review, blog, content. Guys, these all are the possible factors wherein you can promote your affiliate links, right? I told you the example that you have the website. If you have the website, then you have to promote with the help of SEO, the search engine optimization. Very simply, I'm just going to click here. I'm closing it. Too many tabs are opening. Okay. So let's suppose in google.com, I'm just writing, I just want to buy the product. Let's suppose um, best mobile phone 2070. Sometimes people search like this. So this search is happening in India. See, google.co.in. It's not globally the google.com, right? So it is happening in google.co.in. So I'm just going to explain the things. These are the ads. These are the shopping ads, wherein if you are seeing this sponsored, these are the paid ads which are coming from the Google merchant site. You have to create the account in Google merchant site, right? So after that, you are seeing this much of the ads. If you are seeing the AD, that means you are paying something for each click to the Google, because ultimately these results are displaying by the Google. So when somebody will click on this, so you are going to pay, you are paying something to Google on each click. So these all are the called as a paid results, and which comes in the PPC, the pay per click. Guys, understanding? It is the PPC, the term PPC. I'm just explaining you. So with these terms, with these paid ads, you can promote your affiliate link, right? How? I will let you know in the practically session, in coming sessions, PPC. Or later on, after the ad part, you are seeing this organic part. This is called as an organic part, right? The top 10 results you will get, 1 to 10. These all are the organic results, and which comes with the help of the SEO, guys, the search engine optimization. If this site visit on in, if it's ranking on first number, that means you have optimized this website in that way that this website is coming in the top. Understanding? And after that, you can see that 91 mobiles are coming, pcadvisor.co.uk coming. So you can understand in such way. So if you are planning to promote the affiliate links, if you are planning to promote the affiliate program through website, so ultimately you do not want to pay something to the Google, that you do not want to run the PPC ads for your affiliate network, then you have to go with the organic results, and for that organic results you need to perform the SEO, the search engine optimization. Then and only your affiliate program website will rank on top, and people and user will come to this website. Let's suppose user will click on this website, and any shopping, any sale is happening here. Let's suppose any sale is happening. I like this product and I'm going to buy this product. So this is something. Somebody asked a question: who is paying, customer or advertiser in PPC? See, Jay is asking a question: if somebody will click on this link, on PPC link, then who is going to pay? So customer is not going to pay, because I clicked on this link shop.samsung.com, so I'm not going to pay anything to the Google. The person, the affiliate who created this ad, who are going to pay amount to the Google, right? Means the advertiser. Okay, Jay? Sometimes users do not click on the first three ads. They always think that I'll be getting paid once I will click to this link. No, the customers are not going to pay anything to the Google, because the person, the advertiser who created this ads, who are going to pay something, because these ads are basically running on the bidding. Means they are putting some bidding to run this ads. So I am just explaining you the possible ways to promote the affiliate program. So you can promote with the help of the PPC, with the help of the SEO. For SEO, you need to optimize your website completely. Then and only user will come to your site and will make the order or any desired action which you want to perform from the user. So this is something, the SEO. And the content part we have already discussed, that whenever you are going to promote anything, any product or any category or any link, then for that purpose you need to produce a good quality content. This is something. And the blog section you can create, the blog you can create in the websites such as the wordpress.com, blogger.com. I'm writing to you guys, once get time, come up with the creation of the blog, blogger.com, tumblr.com. So these are the few famous sites in which you can create your blog section, and you can create that blog section wherein you can promote your affiliate program. And there are some review sites as well, wherein you can put that affiliate link, you can ask for the review. And display network as well, you can also promote with the help of the display networks. Will explain in detail. And email marketing is one of the important factor. You can say that email marketing is something that you are getting. I'm just showing you the example. Let's suppose Groupon. What Groupon did? Groupon is sharing the coupons, right? So you can create a very creative HTML format, right? And see, Groupon, somebody asked me to show the coupondunia.com, and then similarly Groupon is also coming. Groupon is also popular. It is a coupon sites, and it is giving the offers. Forever is a brand, if you can see, that is a clothing brand, right? And similarly Domino's, it is the this is the logo of the Domino's. So many organization is listed with the Levi's. You can see that the brands are listed with the Groupon.com, Groupon coupons. So with the help of the email marketing, you can also promote the affiliate program, right? So ultimately, if I will see the offers, I will click to this, and wherein I will be redirected. I will be redirected to the Groupon site, right? And once I will redirected, I can get the offer of free pizza, right? So once I'll get the offer, I will redirect it to the Domino's sites of somebody used from this coupon. Then there is a tracking is happening, like let's suppose if I applied that particular coupon, so merchant will understand that this coupon is applied from this groupon.com and from this affiliate, then merchant will pay you something. So this is the process. This is the process, that this is the one option that you can promote your affiliate program with the help of the email marketing. We'll deeply do the practical thing with the email marketing. How we will get the email IDs to the circulate the emails for the email marketing. Yashodhara asked. Yashodhara, email marketing, definitely once you will do the email marketing, you need the data. So there are too many ways to find out the datas or email IDs. I will let you know, and there are easy tools to collect the email IDs of the organizations wherein you can circulate. There are two ways that organically, manually you can find out. You can do the data mining, and secondly, if you are the organization, you are the big organization, you want to do the email marketing, then you can purchase the email data. Little is also a part of the email marketing. Shalini is asking little. I didn't get your query, Shalini. What you want to ask? Because email marketing we will discuss in detail, because here in the first session I am just going to explain the possibilities to promote the affiliate link. That's it. So all the queries will be entertained in the Little is an app which contains coupons also. Yeah, this is the term basically, Shalini. I just heard it now. Little. Maybe there are too many apps. Of course, Shalini. Uh, so you can see that Make My Trip, or there are too many loyalty rewards app who are giving the basically the coupons which you can apply to the Make My Trip, Travel Triangle, Yatra.com, just to get the cashback or some discount. So there are too many apps are available, which is also kind of the coupons app, right? So this could be the one example or a few, the Little. And similarly, you can have the, because I am just giving you the example of the websites, the Cashkaro, Coupon.com, Groupon.com, GrouponCoupons.com. So similarly, we have the apps as well. We can promote the apps as well, right? So this could be the one pillar of the affiliate marketing. And the shopping sites and the incentive sites, social networks are the you can say, you can have a look of the facebook.com, and you can create the page, and this is completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Once you will create the profile on the social network, you can create the page in that, and in the page you can involve customers with the help of the content, engaging post, and that will be redirected to the affiliate program, and somebody will buy from that. Then you will you will be paid by the merchant. This is something that you can promote with the help of the social networks. So I hope everybody is having the clear understanding of the SEO, PPC, email marketing, social network. Jyoti Ranjan Nair. Ma'am, all these pillars of affiliate marketing could be also done by us, or also we can hire some freelancer guys to complete the task given by us. No, Jyoti, if you have signed up in this session, if you have signed up with the Make Intern, that means you would be individual able to get everything done with yourself. You don't need to hire anyone, right? Email marketing is not clear. Rafi, email marketing will have the entire dedicated session, because in the first session I cannot discuss the email marketing. So it will have the dedicated session wherein I will explain you how you can create the email templates, how you can enlist, and how you can promote that, right? So simply for the email marketing, what things are required? You first you need to understand to whom you are going to target, means your audience. Let's suppose you want to target the customers who are who just want to buy the clothes, right? You just want to target those people, right? So for that purpose you need to choose the clothing categories, and you need to promote the clothing categories in that way. I can give you the example of the many sites. This is the another zoomin.com. Zoom in if you, because I will recommend to all of you that if you want to do the email marketing, then do not avoid the emails which you are getting in your emails, like the offers email and the promotional emails. Go through with the each email, because from these emails you will get the ideas to make the HTML format. See the format. This format is not catchy format, because this is somewhat confusing, and you can have the great formats by the other brands. See the Amazon, how Amazon is doing it. So you can copy the format, not exactly, but you will have the idea that how you can promote the products. So if you have multiple products which you want to promote with the help of the affiliate program, then you can mention it here, and in this way, and you can mention the prices and title and the very good image in that. And once you will redirect it, once somebody will click, that will redirect it to your website, and somebody will make the payment from your channel or your website. Then merchant will pay you something as per the commission. So this is in the email marketing, but we'll do the practical implementation later on. So these are all are the pillars of the affiliate. Everybody is clear with the merchant, pillar, and consumer and the network. These all are the basic terms. Everybody. Yeah, please reply me quickly so that I can proceed. Yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 all of you. Because it is the understanding, the initial understanding which you should have with the affiliate marketing. Great, great. So we have discussed so far the pillars, and now we are going to discuss the digital marketing. And I think these digital marketing, the SEO, PPC, content marketing, banner ads, email marketing, mobile apps, and social media, every part of the digital marketing is the pillars of the affiliate, right? Is the pillars of the affiliate. So you need to understand, you need to set yourself in that way that if you are going to promote the affiliate program, you need to choose the digital marketing platform. Then and only you can promote the affiliate program. So each part, SEO, SMO, PPC, that you need to that will help you to promote the affiliate program. How? I will let you know. And this